Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you remove your credit card on Temu? It's going to be really quick, so bear with me. So once you go to your profile, the icon that has the face there, the what do you call this one? The emoticon that looks like exactly like a face figurehead. Just go ahead and click that and you'll be routed to this one right here, where you could basically add anything here in modes of payment as long as it's permissible in your country, such as mine, like PayPal. But if you want to remove that, you could just click X, or you could just click this orange button right here on the side here, where you could just go ahead and remove the payment method if that's what you wisheth to do, basically. Okay, so that's how quick and simple it is. You could add CVV here if you want to, different mode of payments. So it's totally completely up to you to this point, as long as it's on par with your community standards where it's permissible in your country. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.